It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings, and if you want to see what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, today I'm going to be unboxing two boxes. I have this box right here that I almost dropped, and I have this box right here. So I guess we're going to start with the smallest box first, and I'll let you guys see what's inside. Alright, actually I was thinking it was something else in this box, but right here, as you see, it's only transfer paper, 2 packs of transfer paper. So I have the Easy Jet and I have the Jet Dark right here. My preferred paper is the Easy Jet, but because they didn't have enough, I was thinking it was something else in this box. That was one reason why I wanted to unbox it, but as y'all see, that's what was in it. Okay, so I thought it was one extra thing in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this other one. Alright, and actually this is what I was thinking. I thought it was something different in this box. Y'all, I am just being tricked and bamboozled all kinds of ways. I thought this was something different. I was actually expecting something different, but right here, what this is right here, as you see, this is the thing for the dog tags that y'all saw in the other video. I just knew this was another package, a different package that I have been waiting for about a month. Thought that's what this was. So yeah, this is basically, that's basically what this is, for sublimating the dog tags. Yeah, so like I told you guys, I will be sublimating some of those items that you saw in the other video, the other unboxing video. I'll be sublimating that real soon, sooner than you guys think. So I'm gonna go ahead. I thought, I didn't know what this was because the box wasn't labeled or anything, but yeah, that's what it is. So now I have this, and I can go, I can go ahead and once I get ready to sublimate all this stuff, go ahead and get started on it. But if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead, follow your girl at TshirtChick TV on Instagram. And also, if you guys are interested in working out, people been telling me I'm getting fine and stuff, quarantine fine, with all that working out I've been doing on the other channel. So I'll leave a link for both of those. You can also check me out on that channel. I'll leave a link down below for the other channel if you're interested in working out. And y'all know what it is right there, TshirtChick TV and Instagram. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in another video. Prince Squad out.